Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off the green dot on Facebook. So what is basically green dot? Green dot is an activity status on the Facebook in which allow your friends and family to see you are active or not on Facebook. So if you want to hide that specific activity button, so for that you have to simply go to the top right corner of menu button which is below to message button. So after tapping on menu button, now you have to simply scroll down. After scrolling down until you will be able to find the option which is settings and privacy, just simply hit the settings and privacy and the drop down menu will appear. Here you have to select settings. So here in the settings, just simply scroll down until you will be able to find the option which is your activity or anything like that. So you guys can see here in the audience and visibility, you will be able to see the option which is active status. Just simply hit this option. So after hitting this option, you guys can see that I have already turned it off. So if you want to make it off, you have to simply toggle it off. So if it by default it's always to on, so what you have to do is just simply hit the to turn off and click on turn off, and in this way you guys can turn off the green dot very easy on Facebook. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.